Hi, my name's Latasha Johnson, and I want to offer a few tips on dealing with your financial institution during the COVID-19 pandemic. Number one, communicate. Communication is key. If you're having cash flow problems or issues making payments, contact your bank, contact your lender. Two, know what assistance is out there and act on it. Two is worth expounding on. So knowing what assistance is out there. We can expect in the upcoming days and weeks that there will be federal and state assistance available to help throughout this economic downturn. However, what you may not realize is that there's assistance that's being recommended today that may be able to help you right now. So the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, which is an independent agency of the federal government charged with, among other things, insuring deposits at FDIC insured banks. They have some recommended guidance for banks that is just practical, kind of common sense assistance that may help people. Their recommendations include things like waiving transaction fees, such as ATM transaction fees, late payment fees, overdraft fees, penalties for early withdrawals on time deposits. They're recommending that for creditworthy borrowers that their credit lines and credit limits be extended. Waiving or increasing the amount of cash that people can take out of ATM machines. Easing restrictions on check cashing so that if you're not a customer or if you're trying to cash an out-of-state check, you're still allowed to make that transaction and get that check cashed. In addition, and perhaps more importantly, they're recommending payment accommodations. This would include extending payment due dates, allowing deferred payments or skipped payments, and helping people avoid negative credit impact and helping the banks avoid delinquencies. Now, for some things, you may actually need the help of an attorney if you're having a loan modification or entering into forbearance agreements. But many of these suggestions, and the list is not exhaustive, are things that you can do on your own. So remember, communicate. If you're having cash flow problems, communicate with your bank and know what assistance is out there and act on it. Thanks for listening.